What's the meaning of curse? Curse. Curse.
Curse. Curse. The word curse refers to a solemn invocation or wish for harm or evil to come upon someone or something. When someone or something is cursed, it is believed to be under a supernatural spell of ill fate or misfortune that will bring about negative consequences. The effects of a curse can vary, but they often include bad luck, sickness, death, or other forms of harm or suffering. Curses have been a part of many cultures and belief systems throughout history, and they continue to be prevalent in various forms in modern times.